There are still over 7,000 unreached people groups in the world, and the population of those groups is about 3 billion people. Can you believe there are 3 billion people in the world today that still don't have adequate access to the Bible? Do you know that Fiji is a rich nation with the gospel of Jesus Christ spread all over it? With churches being built in every street corners, in every towns, in every cities and villages? Do you know that our Bible has been translated in our own language and songs sung in our own language? There is nothing in the world or the church except the church's disobedience to render the evangelization of the world in this generation an impossibility. You as pastors, you as youth leaders, you as parents, you as youths, are you aware of God's calling in your life and for God's calling in your church? Are you aware of the individual calling of God in every individual's life? You as pastors, are you willing to release families, to release young people to take the gospel to the unreached places of the world, to the ends of the earth? Are you willing to stand by them and fully support them through prayers and financial needs? Can you do that? Why does this matter so much? Because many are perishing without the opportunity to hear the good news even once. That's not fair. We should treat this as an emergency call. Because Jesus says in Matthew 24:14, and this gospel of the kingdom will be preached in the whole world as a testimony to all nations, and then the end will come. You as Fijians, what are you going to do? Do you want to be part of those group of people that will want to decrease the number of unreached people group to make it into zero? You actually play a vital role sharing the gospel. So I'm inviting you to come over and join us. Contact us, message us, let us know what you have been feeling from the Lord. Fijian for the nations.